What's up, guys? Caitlin here. This is a nice Sunday morning. I wanted to just make a video and just give you guys some motivation and just continue documenting my journey to a freedom lifestyle and my affiliate marketing journey, online business, just making an unlimited amount of income, So one of the tips that I received today in the 4% training is very key and very vital. Something that a lot of us take for granted, and we might be doing it subconsciously, but it's important to always realize if you're being an asset or if you're being a liability in any relationship, in any training, in your works, space, in your day-to-day life. Try your best to become an asset to people, emotionally, physically, whatever. Not saying to limit yourself, or if you have physical limitations, of course you need help, which is okay. But emotionally speaking, be an asset to somebody. Don't be a liability. Offer value to people. Be someone that people want to be around, to attract. It's key. It's key in your business. Like the law of attraction, it's real. We don't see it, but we attract what we think about, what we like. What we put out in the universe comes back to us somehow. So it's important to be an asset emotionally to the people around you in your business. And when you become an affiliate marketer and start making your videos and start marketing other products, marketing your own products, marketing your own business, and marketing your own brand, be the person that you would want somebody to be when they're around you. Be positive around them, So that's my little tip for today. Just wanted to hop on real quick and give a quick video and give some motivation. Alright guys, keep going on your journey. Subscribe and like this video. Make sure you do that. Again, subscribe to my channel because I'm going to come with some good content, continue shooting my journey with the 4%, my journey to a freedom lifestyle, to eventually quit my 9-to-5 job. I'm also going to give you guys some more value with ClickFunnels when I'm building up my funnels, my autoresponder, to when I get subscribers to email my subscriber base list, how I post my videos, how I research my videos, how I do my tags, and how it all comes together. What products do I promote? So you can see it, and it's just raw and honest. Like today, it's not scripted, it's raw, honest, so it's real. So again, subscribe, hit the like button, and I see you guys later. Peace.